Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Parrot 6.3 Home Edition on VirtualBox. Okay, so first go to Parrot OS official website, that is parrotsec.org. It is the official website. Then click on download or download, either is fine. Then we have to choose the category. We have the live, virtual or IoT. I am going with live, so click on live. Then see here we have the three types of editions: security, home and HDB. For the security edition I have already made a video. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install Parrot Security OS 6.3 on VirtualBox or VMware. So in this video I am going with home. This is the general purpose OS with the typical Parrot look and feel. It is designed for daily use and privacy and software development. Okay, click on this home and click on architecture. Then scroll down, see here the information, version is 6.3 lorikeet. Okay, so click on download. This is the direct download and this is torrent link. Okay, it is up to you. Click on download. See, download started without registration or login. See, its size is 2.4 gigabytes. It is Parrot Home 6.3 ISO file. I am cancelling this one because see here I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VirtualBox. If you haven't installed VirtualBox on your machine, then search for my YouTube channel or go through this video description how to install VirtualBox on Windows or Linux operating systems. Okay, so open VirtualBox. Then click on new or go to machine and select new, either is fine. Then provide the name for the virtual machine. I am giving Parrot Home 6.3 VMware. Then select the folder to store this virtual machine files and folders. Click on drop down and this is the default location. If you want some other location, click on drop down and select other. Then select the path where you have the enough space. Then ISO image, select the downloaded ISO image. Go to download. See here we have the Parrot OS ISO image. Click, select it and click on open. See, once you select it, type change it to Linux, subtype to Debian and version is 64-bit. Okay, so then go to hardware. By default memory selected as 2 gigabytes. I am giving it to 4. Number of CPU equals to hard disk. I am giving 50 gigabytes. It is up to you based on the availability or requirement. Okay, if you are okay with all the settings, click on finish. Still if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, right click on it and select settings, or go to machine and settings, or just select virtual machine from this list and click on settings. All three options are same. Okay, if you are okay with all the settings, then click on start to install the Parrot Home OS Edition 6.3 on VirtualBox. Click on it. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is try or install, and hit enter. See, if you want to use this for temporary purpose, just use it and shut down. If you want to install it permanently, right click on this install, then open. See, if you want to get full screen, just double click on here. See, you got the full screen. Now select the language and click on next. Now time zone or location, select location on globe, or you can select the region and zone from this list. Okay, either is same. Then click on next, and also see here system language will be set to English India, and the numbers and date locally will be set to English India. If you want to change them, you have to click on this change buttons and you have to select the options that you want. Then click on next. Now select keyboard model. I am going with English US, both defaults. See, this is the fresh installation, so select erase disk and click on next. Now we have to create our setup user. I am giving username as R2 schools. See, this is the user full name, this is the username, and this is the host name or computer name. Okay, later also we can change it, but I am providing name as. Then provide the password for this user. You have to remember this password, which is used to connect to Parrot Home Edition later. Then click on next. See, this is the installation summary. If you want to modify any one of these settings, then click on back and you can edit, or click on install. Now click on install now. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I am going to pause this video. At the end, it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will reboot the system and we will perform the post installation steps. Successfully installed Parrot OS 6.3 lorikeet. Okay, so keep the checkbox, that is restart now. Before that, go to here, select this optical drive, select it and right click and remove disk from virtual drive. Then keep the checkbox and click on done to reboot the Parrot OS 6.3 virtual machine. Click on done. Now we have to provide the password that we have set for this user. Notice here, before we were having install icon on desktop, now it is gone. Okay, now open terminal. Now if you want to increase the font size, go to file, go to edit, then select profile preferences, then select this, select it and increase the font, select it, close it. See, font has been increased. Now verify the version that we have installed. More /etc OS release. See, we have installed Parrot Security Edition, say Parrot Home Edition 6.3. If you to quit, Control A. Okay, the first step after connecting to Parrot Security OS is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update && sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, we are going to upgrade these many packages. Type A for confirmation, hit enter. See, update and upgradation is in progress. Okay, this will take time. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Parrot Home Edition 6.3 on VirtualBox. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.